Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So as of now, we discussed how to write notice, how to write advertisements of classified columns. And now today in this video we are going to discuss report writing, how to write a report. So we are going to discuss how to write a report. Okay, so let's start today's session, that is report writing. As we know that a report is a brief account of an event that has already taken place. It helps in recording events of importance that occurs in our day-to-day life and attempts to present and first-hand information of an incident or event. It presents a record of events that took place. A report on an event includes ideas, opinions, and impressions on the event. Okay, so we know very well that what a report is. So now we must remember these points while writing a report. We must mention the place, date, time, and other relevant facts about the event. We must include information collected from people around or influenced by the event. Write the name of the reporter. Provide a suitable title or heading. Often written in past tense using passive voice to communicate information effectively. Reported speech and passive forms of expression add impact and force. Develop ideas, causes, reasons, consequences, opinions logically. Report an event in the order in which it happened. Okay, students? Write a report in 3 to 4 paragraphs. Para 1, brief introduction of the event. Para 2 and 3, give details of incident like what, how, when, where, any special happening. Para 4, it is concluding remarks regarding action taken or required. Be brief, to the point and systematic. Write in a less formal and more descriptive manner. In case a school magazine reports, name of the school, date, place need not be written. Okay, if the report is for school magazine, don't write school name, date, place. Okay, they need not to be included. Next, a box report gives a better and organized look, but box is not mandatory. Okay, you can make a box for a nice look, but it is not mandatory that you have to make box. Follow word limit, that is very important, and format. Okay, students, so these are the important points which we must remember while writing a report. So this is the format, title, report by this, place and date. Okay, so this is the format for writing a report. So what we have discussed, let once again discuss in short. So while writing report record happening of events in the recent past. Be brief, to the point and systematic, objective and balanced. Report an event in the order in which things have happened. maintain sequence of events. Okay students, and what is the format we have already discussed. A bold heading title should be there, name of reporter should be there, and date of report along with name of place or city. Okay, in content we have discussed that. Write 3 to 4 paragraphs. Para 1, brief introduction of the incident like what, who, when, where. Para 2, 3, give details of the incident. Para 4, concluding remarks regarding action taken or required. In case report for school magazine, date and place need not to be written. Put report in box, but it is not mandatory. Use past tense as reports are written after the event is over. Use passive voice is also recommended. Okay, follow the prescribed word limit, that is 100 to 125 words. Basic points for contents. So what are some more basic points? Yes, we have discussed what, event or other details, where, venue, when, date and time, who, participants, guests, chief guest, visitors, etc. Okay, now let us take examples for the same. Before example, let us go through CBSE marking scheme for report. For format, that includes writer's name and title, 1 mark. Content, what, where, when, it includes chief guest, participant detail, other details about event, incident, 4 marks. And expression, coherence and relevance, 2.5 marks. Spellings, grammatical accuracy, 2.5 marks. Such marks are distributed for your report. So let us go through these examples. This is a sample newspaper report. You are Sharda of Gyan Bharti Residential School, Shalimar Bagh, Delhi. Your school organized an inter-school science exhibition. Write a report to be published in a local Delhi. So write a report to be published in a newspaper. It's a newspaper report. Okay, so let's go through it. So as we have discussed, first we have to write title, then by writer's name, then place, Shalimar Bagh. Okay, day, date. Okay students, then first paragraph is introductory para. A grand 10-day science exhibition was inaugurated by Gyan Bharti Residential School. Okay, so first you have given the introduction. 40 schools have different parts of Delhi participated in the exhibition. The theme of the exhibition was water purification and conservation. So here student, in first paragraph you have introduced about the event took place. Okay, now in second paragraph, inaugurating the exhibition, Justice Chaudhary stressed on water conservation and need of students' participation in creating social awareness. The students put up some really good exhibits for the exhibition. The students representing Progressive School, Sector 3, Noida, stole the show by exhibiting 4 working models which were selected for regional exhibition. The participants presented unique concepts for water purification, power saving, garbage disposal and smart traffic signaling. The judges, guests and media admired the exhibition and encouraged participation to popularize and strengthen scientific temper among the masses. So all you have added in a sequence. In this report, all the things have been added in a sequence. So must remember the things, all the events, all the incidents must be in a sequence. The exhibition ended with prize distribution followed by blessings by the chief guest. The school principal presented a vote of thanks. So this way, students, you can see in this report all the things have been introduced in a sequence wise. In a past tense, it's a past event, so that's why past tense has been used in this report. Also passive voice of past tense has been used in the report. So you must keep it remember. So you have to write the things, mention the things in a sequence. What happened the first, then what happened, then what happened, what happens in the end. Okay students, so thank you for watching this video. In next video I will discuss more examples for the same.